So you've met someone very special and you've gotten very close and things are going, well, they're going great, except for one thing. They don't want to commit. They don't want to take the relationship to the next level. They're holding back. How would you like to get them to marry you? We're going to give you the secrets in this video. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers. Your unconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite. It is the connecting link to your soulmate. It's the connecting link to the money you desire. It's the connecting link to losing weight. It's the connecting link to quitting smoking. It's the connecting link to a better marriage, to happiness. And we've created a program, as a matter of fact, several programs, a whole website designed to help you activate your unconscious mind to attract whatever it is you desire. It's called miraclehypnosisonline.com. It's not like anything you've ever experienced, and we give you a 3-day free trial. miraclehypnosisonline.com. So high flyers, you've met this special person. Perhaps you've been dating for a while. Things have been getting pretty exciting, but they've been giving you reasons why they don't want to take the relationship to the next level. I'm not ready. Well, I don't believe in marriage. Things are good the way they are. Why ruin a good thing? Everybody that I've ever known that got married got divorced. You see, there's all kinds of excuses why people don't want to take their relationship to the next level. But if you're a person that would like to be married, would like to have a committed relationship, a solid foundation, then I think you deserve whatever it is you desire. And to be in a deep, committed relationship with someone who's wishy-washy is a very difficult thing. Now, here's something you need to keep in mind. The more you crave it, the more you want it, the further away they move. Isn't that weird how that happens? It's kind of strange. But you know exactly what I'm talking about if you are a person in the position that we're talking about, a position of wanting to get married and with a partner that doesn't want to get married, doesn't want to have a committed relationship. Maybe it's not even getting married. Maybe it's just living together under the same roof. But you get the idea. And so you keep wanting it, and you keep craving it, and you keep wanting it, and they keep moving further and further away from the idea. And so this is exactly how the law of attraction works. You see, the universe gives you exactly what you are. And what you are is in a state of neediness, in a state of desire, in a state of hunger, in a state of craving, rather than in a state of receiving. They're very different energies, and they feel quite different as well. So high flyers, I have a client, and she's been in this serious relationship for quite some time now with this guy. And it's been a great relationship. They get along. They both have a great sense of humor. They like spending time together. But when she talks about marriage or living under the same roof or taking the relationship to the next level, he says, rather than telling her no, he says, okay, after this is a big excuse, or it's a way of putting things off. After this, after the kids get grown up, after they move out of the house, after they are in school, then we will get married. But how long is that? It's 8 years in her case. Do you see, that putting off technique is a way of putting off the whole idea. After I have more money, I'm not financially suited to get married or take on a partner in life right now. So let's wait until time is right. So what happens, high flyers, is they keep putting it off. You keep wanting it more, and you're doing the opposite of what the law of attraction says you need to be doing and need to be feeling to attract what you desire. So high flyers, just remember this. When you are in a state of want, the universe is generous. It's going to give you more want. Think about it this way. Chasing for love, chasing for marriage, chasing for a commitment is the opposite feeling of abundance. It's a lack mentality. Basically, high flyers, if you're doing that, you're in a scarcity mindset. You're fearing in your soul that it won't happen. You're fearing that you'll never get married. You're fearing that there will never be a commitment. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some energetic judo. We're going to use that energy, that negative energy, and we're going to invert it. We're going to turn it around. And when I mean negative energy, I mean it's lower vibrational energy and it's counterproductive energy to what you really desire. Okay, so we're going to turn it around, and here's how we're going to do it. So high flyers, every morning when you get out of bed, when you get your morning started, you are going to set your intention, you're going to do your scripting, whatever it is that your morning ritual usually requires. I like some scripting, I like some gratitude work, I like a little bit of visualization work is always important, but everything you see is going to be bold. It's going to be bright. It's going to be alive, and it's filled with color and excitement. Okay, so what I mean by that is you just don't think about, oh, yeah, the two of us are getting married. You see that wedding. You're standing there. You are either giving the ring or receiving the ring. You feel your heart thumping and pounding. I mean, you can feel the energy. It is so palpable. It is so powerful that it permeates you. It excites you for the rest of the day. And then you're grateful for it. I'm so grateful that we are married. I'm so grateful we're deeply in love. I'm so grateful we're starting a life together. And then what do? Do you know what you do? Are you ready for it? You let it go and you get on with your day. Just let it go and get on with your day and let it soar, let it fly. You see, when you do gratitude work or visualization work or deep affirmation work and you put a lot of intention into it, you're focused on your intention, and it's bright and it's beautiful and it's in color and it has movement to it. When you do that, it takes wings and it's like it's flying to the universe. It's flying to the universe, baby. Here we go. Hop aboard. And it's sending a message to the universe, and the universe is saying, whoa, there's a new intention here. Okay? We're no longer supposed to send more need. We're no longer going to send more want or more hurt or more pain or more frustration or more worry or more fear. We're going to send love and commitment. Are you getting this? That's what I mean by soar like a big, beautiful eagle. You're giving your intention wings, and you're letting it fly by letting it go. So high flyers, stay in the abundance mindset. Stay in a state of peace. Stay in a state of happiness. Stay in a state of deep love. I mean, feel it. Feel moments of love so strong. And these are not just moments that haven't happened yet. These are moments that have already happened. Be grateful for what you are and who you are. Stay in a state of bliss. Because when you're in a state of bliss, you're feeling love. You're feeling happiness. You're feeling joy. All three combined. Stay in that mental mind frame. That is the mind frame that attracts a loving, committed, beautiful marriage. Now I can just hear some of you saying, yeah, but my negative thoughts, I don't know where they come from, but they show up. And so high flyers, rather than, try to fight those negative thoughts, people try to fight them. I got to think more positive. I got to think more positive. Rather than do that, invite the negative thoughts in. Say, hey, I know. See what I'm doing? I'm making the negative thought not part of me. I'm talking to it as if it is a separate entity from myself, because I don't want to identify with it. So yeah, come on in. Okay, so your negative thought is, your belief is that he will never ask or he'll find someone else. That's your negative belief. But guess what? I'm feeling so much happiness and joy because the outcome that I'm manifesting looks like this. So I'm going to have to ask you to leave. I just communicated directly with my negative thoughts, and they leave. They go walking away. They don't fly. They just go walking away, sulking. But the next time they show up, I promise you this, they're not as strong. And the next time after that, they're not as strong. And the next time after that, they're even weaker. And every time they show up and you don't fight them, and you talk to them, and you reinforce your own beliefs and your own new empowering thoughts, they become weaker. And you're closer and closer and closer to attracting your heart's desire. So high flyers, I would say use gratitude, present and future. What I mean by that is you have moments throughout the day when you have those negative thoughts and you talk to them and you reinvest in your positive thoughts. One of the ways to reinvest in your positive, loving intentions is to put yourself in a state of gratefulness or gratitude that you are so excited, you are so grateful that you are getting married, that the two of you are deeply in love, that your relationship is growing beyond anything you ever imagined it could. Put yourself in that incredible state of gratitude. Now, I really want to hear your success stories, especially in dealing with the negative thoughts and how you are attracting that beautiful, loving marriage, that relationship of deep commitment into your life. Because look, at the end of the day, high flyers, nobody on their deathbed ever wishes that they had spent more time at the office. But people do wish that they had spent more time loving. You're alive, baby. This is your time. You can feel the love. And I desire only, my intention is only that you receive the love that you desire. So share your success stories with me. Share them down below here because I love reading them and they help empower others along the way as well. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.